Alright, y'all, what up? It's your boy 100 Miles. So, I should have recorded coming all the way out here to Phoenix, but I didn't. I got lazy. I would have had to set the GoPro all up in the car. Would have been too much work. But as you can tell from the last video, things didn't really work out. I ended up running into a problem with the bash bar that I was trying to cut out. It just wasn't it wasn't big enough. The wheel wasn't big enough to clear the clearance that we had for the bash bar. So yeah, that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get that done today, guys. Yeah, buddy. Woo! So before we go ahead and do anything, me and a homie need to take a quick ride to Harbor Freight. Then we're gonna go pick up a new grand wheel and a bigger wheel to make that clearance. So yeah, buddy, let's get in the car. Alright, Harbor Freight somewhere around here. Hold up, buddy, hold up. Oh, it's down to the left. Alright, down there somewhere. Yeah, buddy. Thank you, sir. I don't know you. I don't know you. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Which one? I know which one I'm gonna go with. Huh. Don't mind me, sir. Don't know what to get, guys. Alright, guys. So I got the wheels. Where they at? It's a 7-pack of the thin ones. Comes with a couple of them. And then we're gonna go with this bad boy right here. Yeah, buddy. Alright, guys. We got what we needed. Back to the spot. Alright, yeah, buddy. Now we AutoZone. Gotta get Dilly something. Dilly. Oh, long. No, it's not long. It's not long at all. Nice. Yeah, buddy. Elota time. Alright. I got what I needed. Yeah, buddy. So, we're just letting the car cool off because I was kind of doing a couple pulls on the way out. So, yeah. Make a decision. Okay, so let's get started. It's been cooling off for a couple minutes, but we're gonna go ahead and take the bumper off now. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so you got 2 up here, then 2 down here, which are behind that grill plate, and they're just right on top of each other. So just imagine one being right there. Oh wait, you can't see it. Look, it's right there. Yeah, buddy. Same thing for the other side too. All right, and so 4 bolts are off. We're gonna go ahead and slide it off the side hinges. Oh shit! Don't drop it because it just got new paint. And oh yeah. Hey, thanks Dylan for that information. Yeah, buddy. All right, Dylan. All right, so moving on to the Ford. What we're doing is replacing the belt because why, Dylan? Shut up. Alright, so if you can see right there,
No.
I'm gonna show. See those grooves in the belt? Why is that touching? Why is all that touching? Damn. So that's why we're replacing the belt.
You gotta.
What?
Shut that shit off.
It's annoying now, huh? Alright, so just got down from underneath. Got the belt tightened back up. Now down back to the store with some AC. Yeah, buddy. 100 miles everything. 100 miles everything. Alright, so fans off, clutch fully pulled back, belt is off. Now we put the weight on. Yeah, buddy.
I can't get the fucking thing off.
Yeah, buddy. Look at our homie just roll up. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy. Alright, we back again. We back at it again.
You see, like, I seen him grab it.
You meant to get this one, huh?
Yeah, I seen him grab it. And he was like, all right,
Damn, I need one.
So he grabbed it and I was like,
I need one.
thought
Oh,
he
that's
wanted to
cheap.
go
That's
somewhere,
not
I guess
bad. What is this? Oh, it's a 1.5.
That's the regular one. This is the local one.
I need the 4.
That's not even low enough though.
Isn't that the one you got? Did you get one here?
I didn't get one.
Alright, cool. Alright, walk on to this back aisle. No, here we are. Oh. And they only got them in sets too. Oh, there we are.
I don't think that's gonna be big enough.
We're gonna have to get one of those. Alright. Got what we needed. Yeah, buddy. Alright, so I got tired. Boys jumped in on to help. I'm getting hangry. So, we're gonna have to take off the clutch fan in order to put on the, what is it, the clutch?
Show me the box.
La 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 la. Oh, yeah. It's not on the box. Alright, so, oh, there it is. So, what I'm talking about is this. So, in order to put this on, you gotta remove the clutch fan housing the plastic fan shroud that goes around it, and then remove the little plastic, the metal clutch fan that's right behind it, in order to put this bad boy on. So, yeah. Please explain to the viewers what they're staring at.
The clutch fan
Fucking
pulley.
bullshit.
And now we're loosening it up. We broke it loose. We had to remove the tensioner, which is right there, that corner right there. It's a 8mm. Loosen up the belt to loosen tension, which then before it loosens this up. Then from there, you know, it's already broken loose, so we're just doing it by hand. So then it should just come out.
And that way we have room. So as soon as that comes off, bam, we can put on the weight pulley. Man, we've been sitting out here back and forth to the store twice for about like what, Dylan, 2-3 hours?
I mean, it worked.
I mean, it worked.
It was a little. We had to force it in a little bit, but I mean.
We had the metal clutch fan that's right behind it, in order to put this bad boy on. So, yeah. Please explain to the viewers what they're staring at.
The clutch fan
Fucking
pulley.
bullshit.
And now we're loosening it up. We broke it loose. We had to remove the tensioner, which is right there, that corner right there. It's a 8mm. Loosen up the belt to loosen tension, which then before it loosens this up. Then from there, you know, it's already broken loose, so we're just doing it by hand. So then it should just come out.
And that way we have room. So as soon as that comes off, bam, we can put on the weight pulley. Man, we've been sitting out here back and forth to the store twice for about like what, Dylan, 2-3 hours?
I mean, it worked.
I mean, it worked.
It was a little. We had to force it in a little bit, but I mean.
We had to force it
And then use the crank.
gently. Gently. Alright, so with ease of the fan clutch wrench. Bam! Bam! Finally! Bam!
This is what we needed the whole fucking time, bro.
Shut up.
Alright.
Alright, so with ease of the fan clutch wrench. Bam! Bam! Finally! Bam!
This is what we needed the whole fucking time, bro.
Shut up.
Alright.
Alright, so that's what was supposed to happen. There we go.
Got it.
Just like that. Just like that.
Screw that.
They're in the toolbox still. Alright, cool. So with these screws, you're gonna screw them on the inside of here. So it takes 6. You're gonna have 3. 1, 2, 3 here, and then 3 on top. And then as soon as we're done, just put the belt back, and bam, we're done. Okay, so we got it pre-fitted.
It gives you ideas.
Just putting in the Allen screws. Just get them pre-ready. As you can tell, right on the other side is what they're gonna clip onto. Hold on to, I mean. Smack it back on, tighten in the Allen screws, put the belt back. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, almost done, buddy.
scan kit, whatever.
Oh, yeah.
And then he goes like this, and fucking Randy goes over, pulls down his
Just making sure they're all tight. And I'm stuck.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, there we go.
Thomas is like, what the I had the power to get that.
Yo,
First
buddy.
off the house, the old one.
Yeah.
Hey. Alright, so after you put the belt back on the way it needs to, bam, 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 bam. Yeah, buddy. So now that it's on, we're gonna go ahead, move on to cutting out the middle part of the bash bar, which I already done pre-cut halfway through. Yeah, buddy. And I'm gonna go back over here. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this side, cut through. That way we can mount the intercooler, which is in the back of the car. Alright, so after sitting here, sketched out as fuck with this big ass wheel that I wasn't supposed to buy, we got Bama access to the intercooler section. Yeah, buddy. Alright, now we just take this out, plug and play the next one. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, so after some fab work and fucking up with these damn piping that came with it, bam! Look at that, bam! Alright, she's wired in half-ass right now, so don't judge me right now, but I gotta come back and fix this shit. Alright, so I just gotta put on the clutch fan, the weight's on there, intercooler's on. Call this 100 miles everything fab work. Alright, here we go. Everything's all installed. First start. Alright, there she is. You wouldn't believe how bad it pulls. I'll show y'all tomorrow, but anyways, other than that, I love y'all. 100 miles, everything out. I gotta drive home. Take care. Yeah, 100 miles, everything out. Woo! Woo, buddy! Yesterday was fun. Man, that car's fast now. Whoo! It makes such a difference with just the crankcase pulley and upgrading double the size of the intercooler. Man, that really wakes up the 202s. So, any enthusiast, yesterday was fun. Man, that car's fast now. Whoo! It makes such a difference with just the crankcase pulley and upgrading double the size of the intercooler. Man, that really wakes up the 202s. So, any enthusiast who's really interested on upgrading your performance and juicing anything else, what's left in that engine, go ahead, buy these two parts. If you need any help, comment on the video, or you can message me, DM me on my Instagram, 100 miles everything as well. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you, Eddie, Dylan, and Trini for helping me out last night, man. I would not be able to get that car going the way it is now without you guys. So appreciate you guys so much. Other than that, stay tuned. 100 miles everything. I love you guys so much. Remember to please subscribe, like, and share this video. Until next time. Yeah, buddy.